Lovely morning to need gas when it's this cold. Had to restock my iced tea for work too. Here at the town pump. Everybody's got their own funny name for their quick stops. No, I don't need a receipt for $3 in gas, but thank you. Let's rock and roll, get this done. Pull my chin strap up here so I don't freeze to death. Well, this might have been a bad idea. And it's only going to get worse as we go up to the higher elevation. Helmet, and I've got a little bit of a chin strap on the jacket, but the cold air is still getting up underneath. Now I feel my eyeballs freezing. So far no ice, this is good. Drive. All kinds of divots and gravel on this turn. Get it! I already think we're halfway to hypothermia. Let's roll. Ladies and germs, we made it. Hey, I just had a revelation. Ladies and germs. That cliche has been around for so long, I bet you they've been preparing for the pandemic. Mind control, starting early. I wonder if they used it during the Spanish flu. Ladies and germs, because that's what everyone is now, a walking germ. That's what they'd have you believe. As though we don't have an immune system. Okay, anyway, enough talk about that. The Yamaha did absolutely lovely in cold weather. So I gotta hand it to Yamaha. This same engine we have in Bali, and you know, the non-stop hot weather and the torrential rains. Got this plywood here just in case the ground sinks. So we put that down there. Like so. I think we're gonna go Skalkaho to the golf course road loop just to see the road conditions, so we won't do anything crazy. But I don't know, the plans can change. Let's rock. It's cold, by the way. High is in the lower 40s. there's going to be a lot of gravel on the road, and yep, there is. We'll just take it nice and slow up here. Enjoy the ride. Get a feel for the road conditions. Ooh, first little bridge fun of the season. I remember this guy. Oh yeah, a lot of gravel here. Let's borrow this side. Lots of gravel once again. Off to the races. Line up that butt. Deuce lane to the left. No, to the right, sorry, I'm backwards. And a lot of gravel. And to the left, sticking with golf course road. I ride in pouring rain all the time, but this is actually the first time I've ridden in pretty decent rain up here in the North USA. So it's kind of a rare thing that I put the Smax through. We'll see if it handles it as good as the PCX does in Bali. So far so good. In fact, we're going to take a little shortcut right here. This road runs parallel to the Highway 93. This is Old Port Vallis Road. We'll skip the traffic, have a nice easy cruise. Cross over to the highway here. Got to watch some of the gravel on the road. I can't remember what this little street's called. I think there's two of them along the path. We'll get you right back to the highway. This isn't even a street, in fact. This cuts through the bank parking lot. And will get us to 93 and we'll come out right by the big phallus. Well, not compared to the Washington Monument, but a penis nonetheless. Coming up on my right when we turn out here behind this Silverado. So yeah, just a little shortcut here in Hamilton. A lot of back roads around here you can take to avoid the highway if you ever want to. Here we are on 93, headed northbound. Now we're getting off here those low clouds ahead to the left, those are literally right above my work. I work at the gun range. And yeah, so we might be headed right into that. Drive. This will be the last turn. This is full of potholes, water and gravel right here, so we'll take this turn nice and slow. No stunt riding today. So yeah, I was cruising about 50 on Ricketts, and it's been no problem with the wet road at all. Had some rain today, and now we're gonna take the long way home from work. See how the roads are after they're wet. So we'll head out to Ricketts, and then we'll take a left on Bowman. We'll come out by the Conoco, I think, and then head home. Rock and roll. Today than I expected, probably the mid-40s. Here we are at Ricketts Road. Normally I'd go right out to the highway here at this yield. Instead we're going to go up here, take a left on Bowman, take the long way home. With that dark cloud up ahead, there must be a storm headed toward Missoula. It's certainly raining up north. Yeah, it's these turns here where you gotta watch for gravel. The horses. What's up, buddies? See you later. Yeah, I've got to watch gravel on this one too. The road's dry for the most part. After a bit of a rainy day. A big barn. Up to about 55 back there. Now there's more gravel on these tight turns. And away we go. Dutch Hill Road. This will bring us back to Highway 93 where we can head south once again. So you're looking at the east side of the valley now. A fair amount of wind to cope with today, but we will do the highway back. We'll see how bad it is. And instead of making a right turn up there, which would probably be easier, let's for the hell of it cut behind this town pump gas station. Just to keep it interesting. Keep life an adventure. And I guess I could turn my signal off sometime. So here we are at Highway 93. We're going to be headed south back to Hamilton. And we are all clear.